How to make Google Maps to announce street names during navigation. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up Google Maps application, log into your account. Once logged in, tap on your profile icon. Then inside here, scroll down. Then select settings. Inside settings, simply tap on navigation and then look for voice selection and then choose your preferred language or voice. Make sure the voice guidance is enabled and the navigation volume is set to normal or louder. Once you have saved your settings, you need to go ahead and simply search for a destination and start the navigation. As you drive, your Google Maps will then provide turn-by-turn voice direction in supported areas and languages. It may also announce street name as a part of those directions. Keep in mind that name announcement can vary depending on your region, language, and available map data. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.